In today's competitive world of manufacturing, efficiency and quality are paramount. That's where Six Sigma comes in. So, what is Six Sigma?
Six Sigma is a data driven methodology for process improvement. It helps companies to eliminate variations in their processes or defects to ensure a consistent high quality output.
But how do companies benefit from Six Sigma projects?
Six Sigma is great because it allows us to reduce defects, increase efficiency, and improve overall customer satisfaction. It also allows us to reduce plant costs and improve our competitiveness in the market.
Now, you might be wondering, why should your company invest in Six Sigma training?
Investing in Six Sigma training is an investment in your company's future. It empowers employees with the tools, techniques, and the knowledge to drive continuous improvement.
In summary, Six Sigma is the key to enhancing quality, reducing cost, and staying ahead in today's manufacturing landscape. Let us be your Six Sigma partner. Contact us today to learn more about how our Six Sigma services can benefit your manufacturing business. Unlock the potential of Six Sigma. Invest in excellence. Contact us now.